Now that you have shown me what you know and you have given me an idea of how well you understood the lesson for today, we are going to transition to our closing activity, this knowledge check that is going to help me see if you truly are understanding natural selection. We will be having a quiz in class on Thursday, so in class tomorrow, specifically focusing on natural selection. So we want to make sure that we're on the same page, that we are understanding this topic. So now that you've seen this other real world example, so we talked about bears, we talked about the peppered moths, now we're talking about bacteria. And we're able to see that regardless of the size of the organism, natural selection is happening on all levels when it comes to living things. So, with this real world example added to your background knowledge now, I want to see what you have learned overall. So, this is that chance to show me how, our lesson on Friday, how the uh, gizmos about the peppered moths and what we did today, how is it all combining in your head? How are you understanding? So, the way that you're going to do this is you are going to go into IXL, and there are two activities that you are going to do. Okay, and so for those of you that have stuck with me and have made it through the entire Nearpod, thank you, thank you. Because you will notice on the class plan, I'm just going to list that you have two IXL assignments. I am not going to specify which ones they are. Okay, so what you guys now know is that you have two activities to go through and review. So you are looking at the category R. Okay, so I want to get my little pointer out here, my laser pointer. Okay, so you're going to go through, if you want to go through content, you can find R, which is adaptations and natural selection. It's under 8th grade and it's toward the bottom. Or you can get this through your recommendations, and you're going to complete R2, Introduction to Natural Selection, and R5, Construct Explanations of Natural Selection. Okay, so you need to complete both of those to prepare for tomorrow's quiz. Okay, the first one is going to be, providing more examples. The last one is involving some more reading that you are going to have to take your time with. Okay, do the best that you can. We will debrief this topic in class in class tomorrow. If you are needing more direct assistance, you can book me through the You Can Book Me on our OLS page. And then the last thing I'm going to tell you, for those of you that feel like you've really got the hang of this, and those of you, that are really interested in this antibiotic resistance, I am also going to put an extension on the class plan. It is a Gizmo case study, and it gives you the opportunity to kind of take on the role and perspective of a scientist at the CDC. So very interesting if that's something of interest to you. Again, total extension. It will just add to your knowledge. Okay. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me. You can text me. But just remember, I will be testing, so it may take me a little bit longer to follow up with you, but I will. All right. Have a great day, and I will see you in class tomorrow.